Ethan at the campfire, ticked off because I won't let him go anywhere nearer to the fire. Here he goes, watch this. Okay, fire, Ethan. Here's me taking Ethan back to the chairs. Oh my God.
So you need to rub your stomach and go, your stomach. Okay, someone heard when I was walking by the cabins the other night, and they were the loudest snorers at the resort. Okay, she'll be driving 6 white horses. Whoa, back, shoot, two. Ready? She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. Whoa, back. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. Whoa, back. Wait, we gotta get the whoa back. It's gotta be whoa back, not this wussy guy. Okay, go for it. She'll be driving 6 white horses. She'll be driving 6 white horses. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. Okay, we'll all go out to meet her. Okay, are you ready, Mike? Oh, we'll all go out to meet her when she comes. Hey, baby. Oh, we'll all go out to meet her when she comes. Hey, baby. Oh, we'll all go out to meet her. Oh, we'll all go out to meet her. Oh, we'll all go out to meet her when she comes. Hey, baby. Kill the old red rooster when she comes.
Hey, baby.
Oh, we'll kill the old red rooster when she comes. Hey, baby. Oh, we'll kill the old red rooster. Oh, we'll kill the old red rooster. Oh, we'll kill the old red rooster when she comes. Hey, baby. Okay, we'll all have pepperoni pizza. Yeah, pepperoni. Okay? Oh, you ready? Rub your stomach.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll all have pepperoni pizza when she comes.
Okay.
Hey, baby. Oh, we'll all have pepperoni pizza when she comes.
Okay.
Hey. Oh, we'll all have pepperoni pizza. Oh, we'll all have pepperoni pizza. Oh, we'll all have pepperoni pizza when she comes.
Hey, baby.
She'll have to sleep with Grandma. Oh, she'll have to sleep with Grandma when she comes. Hey, baby.
No.
Oh, she'll have to sleep with Grandma when she comes. Oh, she'll have to sleep with Grandma. Oh, she'll have to sleep with Grandma. Oh, she'll have to sleep with Grandma when she comes.